Okay, how you doing? So air fryer day again today. I'm loving my air fryer, I have to say, really loving it. Simple chicken wings. I've got some slightly different spices on these ones, which I think work out beautifully. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in that mixing bowl, which you're gonna need, I've got 1 kg, which is 2.2 pound of wings. There's about 15, 16 wings there. What we're gonna do is add some spices, give it a mix. So first of all, 2 teaspoons of celery salt. I love that in there. Then check this out. We've got a teaspoon each here. Salt, pepper, allspice, also known as pimento, cinnamon, and nutmeg. That's what I'm going with today. That's really sort of aromatic, that is. We're going to give it a little bit of hot pepper sauce. I like to use this Encona. It's my favorite sauce. The amount you use is up to you. I'm not going crazy with that. Maybe there was a tablespoon there. A little bit of oil. I'm using a corn oil, and the oil is just to bring it together. Let me stick a glove on. I'm going to give that a mix. So yeah, I used Encona, which is a Scotch bonnet West Indian pepper sauce. I like that one. You could use Tabasco or another favorite that you might have. Very simply, these are going to go into the basket of the air fryer at 180 for 15 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to shake them up. Okay, so they're just in the air fryer basket, 180, 15 minutes. Okay, that was 15 minutes at 180 in my air fryer. They are super fabulous. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.